Namaskar guys, Jai Hind. Guys, today's video is going to be very fantastic for all of you. Why? Because in this video I will tell you very important topic of spoken English. It means if you want to speak fluent English or if you want to communicate in English, then this video is only for you. So please guys, watch the video till the end. Look at what is today's topic. Speak English the way you want. Then guys, today's topic is this: speak English the way you want. It means however, whenever, whatever, whomever you want to speak English, you can speak. You know, so many people say this: there are 3 levels of English. You must be listening and you must have listened this. So many people say that there are 3 levels of English. As I have written here, what is the first level? Beginner. Somebody takes you, you are a beginner of English. Somebody takes you, you are an intermediate student of English. And somebody takes you, you are an advanced student. In my glance, according to me, all these 3 levels are wrong. I don't consider anybody is beginner or anybody intermediate or advanced student. What is communication? You know what is communication? Communication means is that what I deliver, if you receive in a proper way, this is called communication. Whatever I am delivering at this time and you are understanding in a proper way, this is called English communication. There is no need to take yourself that you are a beginner, intermediate or advanced student. I don't think so, because I have seen so many people, they can send their message in an easy way. They don't use hyperbole words in their communication. They don't use very difficult word meanings in their communication. They don't show up in their communication. They don't believe to speak very lengthy words. They can send their message in an easy way. So is it not communication? And other person can also understand very easily. It is called real communication. But we think like if we are using simple words, so we are beginners. Many people think this: if they use simple word meanings, so they go for phrasal word meanings. You know, phrasal word meanings. So they go for phrasal word meanings. Don't be fake, yaar. If you use phrasal word meaning, if you are not getting any word meanings in simple language, so then if you don't know any simple word meanings, so then you are beginner. So what's problem? Is it compulsory to speak only the impactable word meanings? I have seen many channels, they teach us don't use worry. Instead of worry, use another word, like you can use what? Anxiety. So worry and anxiety both are similar. So why don't we use worry? Someone understands worry, so why should I use anxiety? Are you getting? So don't think that if you use different word meanings, then your communication will be very impactful. If in front of person don't understand, if in front of people don't understand your heavy word meanings, so what is the use of communication? So what is today's topic? Speak English the way you want. Don't think to speak very difficult word meanings on and all these things. Another thing I want to tell you, I have also observed that many students join English coachings. Many students join English coaching, but in spite of joining English coaching, their communication is not improved. What is the problem? Because English is not depend on any teacher. I am telling you a bitter truth. If you think any teacher can teach you English communication, I am not telling about grammar. Teacher can teach you grammar. Teacher can teach you English. Teacher can teach you grammar, but no one is here who can teach you communication. It comes by speaking. Until or unless you speak in English, you can't understand and you can't speak. First of all, you need to start speaking in English. Are you getting? So don't think that I am teaching here and I will make you speak in English, or anybody can get you spoken English. It is your misconception. If you are thinking that whether any online teacher or offline teacher, you can speak English yourself. It is a bitter truth and it is a universal truth. So accept this and try to speak in English. And don't tag yourself. Don't tag like many person tagging. Many person are tagging beginner, intermediate and advanced. Don't think. It is not so in English. There is no any level. I have seen so many teachers. They are in my connection. I talk to them. So they say me, sir, why should we speak very difficult word meanings? I told them, no. I also use simple word meanings from which my student can understand. You aren't you understanding? You must be understanding. So why do you use those words which are not in our mind dictionary? If the words these are not anybody's mind dictionary, so is there any benefit to speak these words? Many person understand go, come, eat, sleep, laugh, dance, up, down, right, left. Aren't you understanding? You are understanding, na? So I should use these word meanings. What is wrong with this word meanings? No. So speak English the way you want. Don't think to use very spicy words in your communication. Don't think to pop up yourself. It's my advice to all of you. You should negotiate with language. You should cope up with your communication. Don't think it is a cutthroat communication, cutthroat competition. Simple competition, na, and fair competition. If you want to compete, so compete yourself. So these were something which I wanted to explain you.